Very good morning, guys. Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. What's poppin'? Today, what I'm planning to do is find me something. I'm actually getting my paint protection film on the Ducati. It's been long due. It's been almost 10 months since we have the bike and we didn't get it done. So for the last 15-20 days, I've been scouting for a good place. Finally, today, we're gonna get it done. So let's stop next on the bike. I'm supposed to be there by 12. I might be 10 minutes late reaching there. GTG, let's go. This PPF, whatever we're getting done today or from today, it's not just a single day process. Apparently it's going to take 2-3 days to get the complete process done. But it is actually overdue here. I should have got it done a long time ago. I can see a lot of swirl marks already on the paint. So loafers, man, these kind of brats. You saw them, right? Jeez, disgusting people. Alright, we are almost here, another 2 minutes away. The distance is so close that I actually forgot to even connect my Senna, and I just got a call. I don't know from whom though. Could be Sujan saying that he's reached.
Hey guys, good morning. Interview session कैसा हो रहा है? We have given, Rohit is here. We have given the bike for the PPF coating, and if everything turns out good, we'll also give the other bike for wrapping. So the initial start is already begun, and we're going to keep the bike for 2 days.
I think so, 2 to 3
48 hours, and it has to dry, and water cannot be put on the bike. So come along and check out the bike also. Again, the first step in every detailing job, get the bike properly washed thoroughly. So they're pressure washing the bike. Although the bike has been actually, I've come here a couple of days ago just to look at the place, and they washed the bike and they gave me a sample. So we'll show you everything in detail today. So I should say starting from today. So it's going to be a decent detailed job. All the washing, cleaning, everything is gonna happen.
See swirl marks, right? Before they glow paper. Check out the before. You can have zoom, focus on the light in the center. You can see the swirl marks.
So all we're trying to do is get the entire bike PPF coating. So PPF coating is nothing but a protective film which goes on top of the bike.
Yeah.
So you guys can think now, what is the difference between this and a ceramic coating which I got done on the Africa Twin. Generally ceramic coating is also good, but whenever you get a PPF layer, it's more like a film which goes on top of the bike rather than a coat or a finish. On years down the line, a ceramic coating layer can wear off, but a PPF layer will not, because it's more like a film. Just consider it as a screen guard to your bike, and whatever impact it takes, the film, the screen guard takes the impact. And I know PPF is slightly more expensive than ceramic coating, but if you want to protect your bike as long as possible and have less dents and less scratches and marks throughout lifespan of your bike, it's always better to get a PPF done instead of a ceramic. So till then, guys, I'm going to leave because it's a Monday. I have work. Rohit is going to continue and tell you, walk around all the details of the bike and what's happening while it's happening. Till then, bye boys, peace.
So what exactly is being done in the car? So they are basically it's paint correction job. So what exactly does that happen is, because the bike is being used and we wash it at home and all, there are a lot of swirl marks which get accumulated, which you must have seen earlier, right? So to remove that, they apparently they remove 2 to 3 microns of thickness of the clear coat. So that actually levels off all the clear coat, all the scratches get pushed out, and the bike looks much cleaner because of that. So they do that, then they after that I have no idea what is the process these guys are going to do now, but for now they are doing that. So I have no words, like I've never seen the detailing job in this. I've never been to a store and been in for the entire process like this. पहले क्या होता था बाइक्स को देते थे and we used to like go out and come back and collect the bikes, that's all, and see the difference. Now the amount of work which these guys do for all this is absolutely mind-blowing. I'll be coming here probably for the next 3-4 days continuously to show you the entire process of how the detailing process goes on all these machines, and I hope Hriday won't mind me coming here.
No, definitely. Most welcome.
Thank you very much. So I'll be disturbing these guys. I'll be troubling Hriday the most because I'll be asking him so many questions so that you guys will understand the entire process of it, and why does it cost whatever money it costs, which is over, and at the end of the day it doesn't look any different, but it protects your machine like for a very long period of time, and it'll make it look like as if it's brand new, or it'll maintain that new look of your machine. Guys, you see this panel is not being done, so you see the swirl marks and all. Once we come this side, look at that. Absolutely clean work there. There are absolutely no swirl marks anywhere. Again, you come on this side, you see the difference. That is what they're doing. Guys, the time is 5 o'clock in the evening. I am still at this Wrap and Shine. You actually have to look at the Ducati now. I haven't seen a bike like this before. All the panels have been removed.
Day 2.
Namaskar again, guys. It's day 2 of our build at Wrap and Shine. Mama. I know he wants to go. I've pulled him away from his mom forcefully. So we are actually heading to Wrap and Shine right now. Day 2. Yesterday all the panels were removed, and he loves the dead cat. So again, all the panels were removed on the Ducati. They started work on the final product, laying in the PPF film on them. So today we'll just go look at the progress. We'll speak to Hriday, who's the owner of the place, and we'll give you guys an important update on what is important, how it's supposed to be done, why does it take such a long time to prep the bike and get the work done properly. And again, definitely I'll show you the final product or the final outcome in the next video. So this will just be an update. This particular video, so it will be 2 parts. The first and the second day will be in one video, and the second or the final outcome will be in the second video. And the complete details of this particular store will be in the description below. You can actually contact them. I'm pretty sure they're gonna give you the best rate when you actually give out our names or tell them that you're coming with the reference from the Two Brother Vlogs and Aggie. So chalo guys, see you at the showroom in just about a bit. Aggie hates me. I've got the Africa Twin today, and उसपे the visor is really in a bad condition. तो उसका visor का we are trying to get it rectified, as in the swirl marks जो भी होते हैं. So आधा कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, look at the swirl marks here if you can see them.
Look at that. And look at the visible difference. There's a huge difference on both the halves. This side is treated, as you can definitely see. And the other side, look at that. So I would say this is 100% rid of all scratches because there were too many scratches on
There's
it.
some stone chips also, as you
Yeah.
can see.
But this side and this side, you can hardly see through that. Like, light is completely blocked on that side. Light is literally going through.
Exactly.
Yeah. So there's a huge difference. And that kind of a difference happens on everything.
Every
And-
panel.
Guys, please welcome Hriday. He's the owner of Wrap and Shine. So he's the one, or his team are actually taking the utmost care in wrapping and doing all the work which is going on our bike. And Hriday, thank you very much for this.
Sure, it was a pleasure working with your bike.
Oh, I should say it has been, I'm very happy at looking at how carefully everything is being done. Guys, another very important thing, when you're getting your, especially motorcycles wrapped or PPF being done on it, is that all the panels have to be removed on it. What he does is he hires a third party person specially for that job.
Dismantling.
Yeah, for dismantling and
Remounting the
again, yeah.
whole thing.
So that I've been here yesterday. You can see all the panels have been removed on the bike as I've shot it yesterday, and that is the most difficult job.
Yeah, very difficult job. So Ducati being one of the most difficult bikes even to do a PPF on, because it's an Italian make, it's got all the curves and cuts. It's a really hard bike to work on, especially it's a really hard bike to dismantle. You need a really experienced technician just to get the job done right. So it is a very challenging work for us, but we really love the bike ka color, and it was a bike that we had to protect because the color is so radiant, it needs protection at that level.
Absolutely. So what exactly is Wrap and Shine? When did you start? What are the services you provide?
So unofficially Wrap and Shine is actually 3 years old, but we opened this outlet around 2 years ago. So it all started with my passion towards wrapping cars initially. I loved seeing different cars. I wanted a different skin to my car. So I hired 1 or 2 people here and there, told them to wrap my car, discovered the pricing, discovered where it comes from. Then I got interested into detailing industry. Started off all. This is more like a passion for me than business, because I really like these wrapping, detailing, paint correction jobs and all. Seeing someone smile, them getting an old car to you and saying isko kuch karke do, and converting the car into whatever they desire, it is a really happy job to do, and I enjoy doing it honestly.
So today, I've been getting ceramic coating, or this is the first time I'm getting PPF done on any of my machines. I've been getting ceramic coating or whatever done for some time now, since I guess Ceramic Pro, I think, were the first guys to introduce it in a big way in India. So I've seen a price difference which is quite drastic.
So what happened was, initially, whenever a new product comes in the market, it always starts from an expensive range. When the first smartphone came out, it was very expensive. Now smartphones are available for a very cheap price, as well as the expensive ones too. In this industry, the detailing ceramic coating industry, there are various products in the market, various vendors. The costing depends, number one, on the brand that they use. Number two, their overhead expenses. Number three, the quality of work that they do. The people who do ceramic coating for a 4-wheeler, example, for a Verna size, for 10,000 rupees, but the quality of detailing is nothing, the ceramic life is nothing. So that is a poor quality job. Once a person, example, is taking a big amount, there is a justification behind that, there is a warranty behind it, there is a after sale service after that. It's not that you get a ceramic coating done, go home and sleep and don't see your car for 5 years because it's a 5-year warranty. There's a constant ongoing maintenance for ceramic coatings.
So my bike, are we getting only the PPF done on the machine, or is it something else on top?
So I'll tell you what all the services are being done on the machine. So our goal is to make it the only Ducati Multistrada in India, I guess, which is going to be a self-healing bike completely. How is it self-healing? All the painted parts on the bike are going to be done in a paint protection film by Hexus Body Fence. It is a self-healing PPF, comes with a 5-year warranty. But before we even go to apply a paint protection film, first we have to go ahead with detailing and paint correction. So we make sure the bike has no rusty parts, there are no dirty parts in the bike. So from the engine bay till the steering wheel, till the instrument cluster, everything is detailed first. Second step is correcting the paint. There were a lot of swirl marks. I think you've taken before after, that you can see them also. So we first correct the paint, we enhance the color of the paint, then we start applying the PPF on top. And the PPF that we're using, Hexus Body Fence, is a nano coated PPF, so it repels water as well. So it does the job of a ceramic coating too, and it also does the job of having the bike protected. It is a 180 micron thick film which is applied on the bike. It's like a screen guard, like you use it on a phone. It's like a screen guard. Even if the bike was to be scratched, maybe a dog sitting on a tank bag kept on the bike, it would not harm the bike's paint at all. You do not need any scratch pad because the entire bike is scratch proof.
So, end of the day, PPF is more expensive than ceramic coating and provides better protection.
And also, when we do a full body PPF on a bike, the parts that are not done in PPF, that are all ceramic coated. So the alloy wheels will be ceramic coated. The plastic panels on the bike will be ceramic coated. The seats mainly would be ceramic coated.
So now coming to the topic, most important for the end customer is again, India being a very price conscious market. What are the general charges for either the ceramic coating at your place or the PPF?
So we've got 3 broad categories. We've got the Hexus Body Fence on the top line, the most premium and one that you can use with a 5-year warranty for a bike. We've got a 3-year warranty which is called Super Guard Paint Protection Film, and then we've got a 2-year warranty package that is called Carskin. Carskin being the most economical one. For bikes, usually for cars we charge as per the square footage. For bikes we do not charge based on the square footage, based on the job that we do. So basically, say the most trending bikes that we get an inquiry on is the Royal Enfield 350 Classic and the Java 42. So tanks for Java 42 and Royal Enfield would alone in Caskin would cost you around 4,500. For a supercar would cost you somewhere around 7,500, and a tank job for in Hexes would cost you around 12,500 alone. So these are three basic categories. I'm giving a gist by just showing you how much do we charge for the tank. Now, if you want to experience PPF, my best kind of this thing is that go with only your headlight. Caskin PPF for your headlight only costs 250 rupees, which is as cheap as a screen guard. And your headlight
cheaper
is
than the screen guard.
cheaper than the screen guard. So go experience PPF by applying it on your headlight. You will see the difference yourself. You will see no swirl marks on the headlight at all in the age of say 2 years. So I always recommend them, any bike that comes to me, I first tell them आप एक बार headlight पे कराइए, एक बार mud flap पे कराइए. You see the difference yourself, experience it, then come back to us. We'll show you the various qualities that we've got.
So again, another reason how I approached Hriday is I've been, as you guys know, nothing was done on the Ducati, and I've been searching for a very long time, and I've been all over, never satisfied with any service. Finally met the man, and the best part is the amount of attention. It's not just me or for the camera. I've seen so many other customers coming in, when I am here, and he's giving that attention to every single customer, and he being the owner, giving that that final point, end customer satisfaction. I've seen that to every single customer which has been here, because I've been here for the entire day yesterday. I've been here for 3 hours today as well. So that is hats off, man. Your dedication for this job is like
So because
amazing.
you're spending your life savings on a bike, on a car for protection, it is something that you love. A car or bike is something a guy loves, and you have to do a correct job on it. You have to educate the customer beforehand. If you go to any shop, they tell you PPF how much rate, okay, this much rate, this much rate, this much rate. They do not show you. So even for you, when you bought in your bike, we shown you 3 classes of PPF on top of your bike's tank. Showed you, okay, these are the various things that we can do. Which one are you interested in? Then we take the order forward. Even for sun films, even for ceramic coating, we show you a demo first. We explain it to you. Then you can take your call whether you want to take that service from us or not.
So I'm guaranteeing you're going to get the best price and the best quality service from Rapid Shine. The location and the address for this will be in the description below. You can actually come here with your vehicle, get a quote for yourself, talk to him, and I'm guaranteeing you're not going to get a better service and better price at any other point anywhere else in the city.
Thank you.